Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about transmission of virus. In this topic, transmission of virus, we will study the movement, or we can say the transfer of virus from one host to another. The virus moves from one host to another host for its survival and in search of a suitable host. From its transmission, the virus is dependent on external carriers. Some common methods of transmission of plant virus are there. First of all, we study the transmission of virus by vegetative propagation. Concerning to plants, the plants which are propagated vegetatively once infected with a virus disease transmit the pathogen from one generation to the next. You have studied about the vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction in vegetative reproduction. The virus transfer from one pathogen to another generation. Eventually, the entire population of the given variety may become infected with the same pathogen. As you know, vegetative propagation is by many other methods like tubers, cones, bulbs, bulbils, grafting, cutting. Then virus may be transmitted by these methods or these formations like tubers, cones, bulbs, bulbils, grafting and cutting. In grafting operations, there is contact with the stalk and session, and if either of these two carry a virus, it may be transmitted to the other host. Transmission of potato spindle tuber viroid takes place through tubers, which is called PSTV, potato spindle tuber viroid, and that of Cathay disease virus through bulbs. Now comes to transmission by friction and rubbing. In nature, when leaves of closely growing infected and healthy plants rub together and healthy plants get infected. Even a gentle rubbing with no obvious damage is enough for transmission of virus. Viruses are also transmitted by contact of infected leaves with clothes of man and bodies of animal. आजकल चल रहा है कोविड में टचिंग एंड कैसे हो रहा है, यदि हम किसी से टच हो जाते हैं, किसी आर्टिकल से, क्लोथिंग से, हैंड टू हैंड, बॉडी पार्ट से, तो क्या ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है? वायरस ट्रांसमिशन हो रहा है इसी तरह प्लांट के केस में भी है ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ वायरस बाय रबिंग और फ्रिक्शन. ट्रांसमिशन थ्रू ऑल्टरनेट होस्ट्स. Virus causing yellow vein mosaic of Bindi and cucurbit mosaic are transmitted through alternate or collateral hosts. Transmission through soil and seeds. Viruses which spread through underground natural methods are called soil-borne viruses. The tobacco mosaic virus remains in the field after harvest and it infects the crop in the next season. The virus enters the host through roots by mechanical or biological methods. Although more than 100 seeds-borne diseases or viruses are known, all viruses infected seeds are not equally efficient in transmitting the disease. Bean mosaic virus, barley strip mosaic virus, curly top virus of beet sugar, and ring spot virus of soybean. These are the different examples which are transmitted through seeds. Now, transmission through pollen grains. If flowers of healthy plants are pollinated with pollens from infected plants, they produce seeds which have virus infection. Such seeds on germination give rise to infected plant. Stone fruit ring spot virus, bean mosaic virus are the commonly transmitted through pollens. Next, transmission through fungi. Tobacco necrosis virus is transmitted by root infected fungus Olpidium brachydi. This is the good example of transmission of virus through fungi. Next, transmission through insects. Insects are the most common and potential agents of the viral transmission. The insects transmitting virus diseases are called vectors. Insects like whitefly, leafhopper, plant hopper, mealybugs, scale insects, flea beetles are the different vectors. Yellow vein mosaic disease of Bhindi, leaf curl of chili, yellow mosaic of moong, and many other viral diseases are transmitted by white flies. The maize mosaic virus, maize draft mosaic virus also transmitted through different insects or flies. When insects suck the juice from the infected plants, virus enter into their bodies and salivary glands. And such insects transmit the virus to healthy plants when they visit the another plant thereafter. So insects, we can say the insects are the most common mode of transmission. Next, transmission by infested agricultural tools. It is a common method of virus transmission. Virus usually gets stuck to the implements used for cutting, pruning, and weeding of infected crops. When virus infested tools are used for the healthy plants, the virus is transmitted to the later or another or healthy plant, we can say. Potato virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and the leaf mosaic of cucurbits are the common viruses which are transmitted by this method. Now we will study the nature of virus. The nature of virus have been subjects to of numerous investigations and theoretical discussions. Some virologists consider virus to an acellular form of leaf parasitic systems that are functionally closely related with the host cell but develop independently and are genetically free from it. Stanley in 1935 successfully crystallized the tobacco mosaic virus, TMV जिसको हम बोलते हैं, tobacco mosaic virus, and the crystals retained the properties to induce mosaic disease in tobacco. It was confirmed that infected properties of virus are due to the nucleic acid and the cell wall. Due to the nucleic acid and the cell wall does not take part in this process and in the process of infection. These are the simple in physical and chemical composition. All attributes of life such as self-reproduction, variation, transmission of genetic information are inherent in viruses as in the other living organism. There are some main characters of viruses, like they are granular and electron microscopic in nature. Virus cannot be grown in artificial medium. They can be inactivated by chemotherapy or thermotherapy. They show response to change in temperature and humidity. You all know. They are obligate intracellular parasites. In host tissue, they show characters of living organism. The genetic material of viruses replicates. कोविड में यही तो हो रहा है, कोविड-19 में, कोरोना वायरस में यही तो हो रहा है. जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऑफ वायरसेस रेप्लिकेट कर रहा है. Mutant forms of certain viruses are known, and mutation is essentially a living property. They show sensitivity to many stimulants such as temperature, chemical substances and radiation. हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं दे शो रेस्पॉन्स टू चेंज इन टेम्परेचर एंड ह्यूमिडिटी. तभी तो आपको स्टीम लेने के लिए हॉट वाटर और वार्म वाटर पीने के लिए सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर. They possess antigenic property. They multiply in living host cells. They can be crystallized. They do not respire. Respiration totally absent. They are devoid of cell membrane or cell wall. They are inserted outside their specific host cell. And they are autocatalytic and do not have functional autonomy. So there are different characters of virus, and there are two type of viruses, study of two type of viruses in your syllabus: bacteriophage virus and TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. And you have studied earlier in your syllabus.